Best Android mobile screen recorder for PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile. I'm going to show you how to install it and how to set up it. First, go to the Play Store and search screen recorder. Here is it. I have already installed it. So after installation, just run it and go to the settings. I'm now going to show you how to set up the settings for low specification phones. You don't have to change everything. Just go to the resolution and select 1280 into 720, which is the perfect resolution for YouTube videos. Then select the orientation and set it landscape. Now go to the frame rate. Frame rate is the most important thing. For low specification phone, you should select 30 fps. If you select higher, it will be hang sometime in the game. 60 fps or 90 fps is for higher specification phones. Now just turn on the record audio. Allow it. Then go to the audio channel and select it stereo. Now go to the audio source and select it internal sound. There are lots of options. Now if you wanted to select the floating toolbox, you can just turn it on. Now tap the videos. It will be ready for your work. Thank you.